Hi, I'm Ken Williamson, Newmar Sales Account Manager, and it's my honor to show you the 2019 King Air. Representing the pinnacle of over-the-road luxury travel, the 2019 King Air lets you ride like royalty, combining world-beating performance and comfort with leading-edge safety technology. King Air offers 7 floor plans, all measuring 45 feet in length. Today, we'll be looking at the 4553, featuring 1.5 baths and 3 power slide-outs, including the full wall slide. Every 2019 King Air is built on the Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, equipped with the Safe Haul auxiliary braking system and automatic headlights. With 605 horsepower coming from a Cummins diesel engine with connected diagnostics. Welded to the chassis is our exclusive Star Foundation, a steel superstructure that adds support while delivering a quiet ride. For tailgates and other royal gatherings, King Air provides you with an outdoor entertainment center complete with a Sony 4K UHD TV and Bluetooth-compatible Bose soundbar, a Dometic pull-out freezer stored behind auto-locking soft-closed baggage doors, and a 12.5 Onan quiet diesel generator. The King Air cockpit puts you in complete command, starting with the 15-inch Valid digital dash, dual 10-inch monitors capable of providing 360 degrees of outside visibility to go along with the TriView camera system and the VIP Smart Wheel. A long list of safety features includes a Mobileye lane departure warning system, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring, and optional on-guard adaptive cruise control with collision mitigation technology. And of course, Comfort Drive adaptive steering is paired with passive steer technology to deliver the ultimate RV driving experience. Seats include both heated and cooled power adjustable captain seats with optional massage feature and a queen-size passenger seat with footrest, workstation, and touchscreen navigation monitor. The dash boasts contrasted cross-stitching and houses a digital instrument panel, push-button ignition, a wireless charging mat, and memory settings for your steering column, pedals, and side mirrors, with a soundtrack provided by 11 custom-tuned JBL speakers. Moving into the living area, I have to start by pointing out the beautiful Ralph Lauren home collection fabrics, which you can see all throughout the King Air. This King Air shows off our Camelot decor, with either a chaise lounge with power footrest or a pair of recliners available on the off-door side of the cabin. Both come dressed in ultra leather surfaces and sit atop stunning porcelain plank tile that stretches front to back, covering each and every slide out in the process. Giant, non-opening windows let as much natural light as you prefer, with LED lighting emitted from the spectacular vent-free feature ceiling. Cutting-edge electronics begin with both retractable and overhead-mounted Sony 4K UHD TVs, a Blu-ray player, and a Bose SoundTouch 300 soundbar with a Sony tablet, enabling you to control most cabin functions. And for streaming your favorite movies and shows, a Wi-Fi signal booster comes standard. Moving into the galley, we see an optional U-dinette equipped with a power adjustable table that sits across from the Cashmere Rift Oak ultra high gloss cabinetry, fitted with both flat and raised panel soft closed door guides. Down below, there's a new 240 volt Wolf induction cooktop, Fisher and Paykel dishwasher, and a stunning farmhouse sink equipped with a Delta faucet. Also positioned on the opposite sides of the GE Advanium convection microwave and an extra large Whirlpool French door refrigerator with hardwood overlay panels. Inches away, a spacious Rev-A-Shelf pantry is included on the floor plan 4553. The 4553 also features an appliance garage that sits behind an ultra high polished Corian countertop. Every 2019 King Air floor plan includes a full bath and a half, with the half bath decorated with all the same style appointments as the master space, including ultra high gloss cabinetry and a designer backsplash. Continuing into the midship master bedroom, we find a king bed that resembles the ultimate throne, with a Sleep Number adjustable mattress, goose down comforter, soft throw blanket, and comfortable body pillow, all a part of the package. Just above, you'll discover a unique headboard window composed of sliding panels, and while across from the bed, you'll find yet another Sony 4K UHD TV, along with the Blu-ray player and Bose soundbar. An in-room Silverleaf touchscreen lets you adjust multiple settings, and 2 separate wireless charging stations, included one on each stand, make it easy to keep your devices fully charged. As we enter the master bath, we must first walk through a beautiful hardwood barn door that is unlike anything you've ever seen in a motor coach. Inside, you're treated to a custom-designed trough-style vanity included on select floor plans, and an incredible shower complemented by porcelain tile, glass inserts, a foldable wood seat, and a Fresca massage panel. A full-length rear wardrobe is lined with cedar paneling, while 6 inches of headspace is added to all rear bath floor plans, courtesy of Cathedral Ceiling. Steps away, a hardwood laundry station gives you a linen cabinet, built-in hamper, and 240-volt Whirlpool washer and dryer. From all of us at Newmar, we just wanted to say thank you for taking a couple minutes to walk around the 2019 King Air.